I'm back again. And someone clap
Please,
for
so if
me.
you take all these things, please, you should remember and take it inside there.
I said every day I must teach you how to make money. Now I want to use this 20 minutes to teach you how to make money. And I want to be fast about that. I'm going to teach you how to make throw pillow. How many of you knows how to make throw pillows here? How many of you? Okay, take your biro and your paper and write this measurement down. 20 by 20. Four corner. 20 by 20. 20 by 20. Draw a four corner, a block. 20 by 20. Make an arrow here. 20, 20, 20, 20. That's a very big size throw pillow. Then if you want to make a medium size of a throw pillow, is 16 by 16. Another four corner block. 16 by 16. 16 by 16. Oh yeah, arrow, triangle, and then put 16 all the round. 16, 16, 16, 16 into four corner of it. Then a small size of a throw pillow is 10 by 10. Oh yeah, another 10 by 10. Okay, that's it. Are you done with it? So let's assume this is 20 by 20. Let's assume this is 20 by 20. I think this should be 18 by 20. This is 18 by 20. Okay, this is the size I want my throw pillow to be. So what do? You have cut a fabric that is like this. So you can decide to put your zip here. So what do? You close like 2 inches. You cut here. Let me cut it down. Scissors. Scissors. It's cut into 2. You stitch 2 inches here. You stitch 2 inches here. You now spread it open like this. It's already folded. You iron it. You fold the second one, iron it, and you put your zip. First thing to do. After putting that zip, you turn it and sew it at the back. You sew the 3 corner remaining. You've already sewed 2 inches here, 2 inches. With the zip, here is done. You sew the 3 corners. After sewing that, what do? You turn it from the zip. You open the zip and turn it out. You had your throat pillow. If you want a fanciful one, right? After putting your zip here is open, here is open. You get like 2 inches wide. You can make it 4 inches wide. And make it like you have measured here how many years of it. If it's 3 years round into 3 corners like this, you make it 6 years. You get 4 wide by 6 years long. You now double it. When you double it, you get 2 inches. Isn't it? You now gather it. You gather it and sew it round to one of these. Sew it round before you now turn it. Before you now join it together with this one and then turn it from the zip. You see the ruffle. If you have money to make it more beautiful, you buy trimming, any kind of trimming you want in the market, and put the trimmings. You have make your money. So far, if you take it to your boyfriend's house, uncle buy, you will buy. You will not have time to open leg for uncle to sleep with you before he give you money. He will buy your throw pillow, pay you your money, you walk away. You take it to your auntie's office. Auntie, see my handwork. Una dey ask me wetin I dey do. When I see wetin I dey do, yeah, patronize me. Uncle, auntie will do what? Patronize you. You go back and buy more. If it is 4, you are able to make. You have made profit to make 8. You buy 8, make 8. You sell that 8. You make profit. You can make 16. You are making money. By the time you finish your 2-month course here, you've already made cash in your pocket to buy yourself a sewing machine. If you are what? If you are serious. If you are what? If you are serious. Thank you very much.
Thank you,